Hi, in this new tutorial we will talk about the shape Boolean, which is a compound object specifically made for 2D shapes. This tool will help us to combine multiple shapes to form a new shape using various ways of combining. So first, here I have these simple objects, simple 2D objects, a rectangle and two circles, and another small rectangle. So I will choose the big rectangle, go to Shape, Compound Shapes, Shape Boolean. Now the rectangle that I selected will be added to this list. It's the base object. Now I will click Add Operands. By default, the option Union is chosen. I will click this circle. Now what happens is that the intersecting part between the two are removed, and now we have this resulting shape. Now I will keep clicking. I will click this circle, and now the resulting shape from those two, now we are adding to them the second circle. Now while this shape is selected, you can change the method of combining. I can click Subtract. So now what we have here is the first rectangle, then the second one, union, then the resulting operation is used with this second circle with the subtract method. Now why I'm saying this, because the order is important, and the operation happens from top to bottom. For example, if I click this circle, the second one, and I drag it up, you can see here that we have this. Why? Because between this rectangle and the second one, there is no zone of intersection, so nothing will happen between them. So we'll end up with this rectangle, and then this rectangle, we will add to it the first circle with the union. So the order is important. Again, click the add operand still clicked. I will click this rectangle with the subtract option. I can go back to any option here and change the method. I can go to the first circle and click subtract. Also, I will click the modify panel. When you click any of these objects, you can see here under the shape Boolean, the original object here, you can go back to it. This is the circle. This is the circle, the second circle, the small one. I can make it bigger. As you can see, it updates. I can go back to the first rectangle, the base, click on the rectangle and change the width. Also, if you, for example, here, if I want to hide the effect of this second rectangle, I can click this eye here. Or I can right click and say solo, and here I can see the original shape alone. Right click, uncheck solo. Here, for example, Also, you can remove one of the operands from the operation. You can say remove operand, undo. Now let's say I want this rectangle, the second one, where it cuts the shape, to have some chamfer on the corners. So select the rectangle, the second one, go here in the seam parameters and choose chamfer. It will not chamfer all the corners, only where the Boolean operation happens. Here, for example, the first circle, this one, I want to have some fillet, so click on it first, choose fillet, and you can have something like this. If I add extrude, you can go back anytime. For example, the second circle, I can change its dimensions. Now I will add another shape to demonstrate the intersect component, our method. Make sure nothing is selected. Click here in an empty space. Click intersect, add operands, and pick circle. Now what this does, it will check the intersecting part and keep those and remove all the other parts. I can add some fillet. I can go to the circle and change its dimensions. So that's it for this first part. In the second part, we will continue with the other features of this Boolean, this ShapeBoolean tool. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.